spending New Year's Day in Magic Kingdom, we checked into Animal Kingdom Lodge, where we were staying in Jumbo House. We opted into the resort view room, which actually ended up having a view of the entire pool and some of the savannah. We would wake up to giraffes and impala, and we could also see the flamingos by the pool from our room. Our room was number 3030, which is on the same floor. Disney's Bell Service was able to transfer our luggage from our previous hotel at Riverside and bring it here to Animal Kingdom Lodge, as well as provide us with a pack and play, and we brought our own bed sheets for Jackson as well.
It means no worry.
To Namara right now. This is right outside where Chico is. That's Chico in there. And then this way, I think it's Boma. We're going to find Namara. The pool is right there, the Uzima pool. The fitness center is to the right. It's probably underneath where our room is. Our room is in that area.
1 in the morning and he's still dumping.
Good quick service. Come right here and snowboard. We'll see the area. And we're going to walk around and find the savannah afterwards. Kilimanjaro. Is it called Kilimanjaro what?
The Kilimanjaro. What is that? Oh, tomato.
It's good. It's got Mickey waffles. They said berries are supposed to be there, but they are not. Staircase to the overlook we saw up there. Remember? From our room. These rocking chairs. There's a fire pit out there. No animals?
There's just birds.
It's chilly morning. Normally they're out in the chilly morning, aren't they? Oh, there's a giraffe right there. The giraffe walking. Bobby is just so gorgeous. Coming to go over the rope bridge. Like Coco right there. And these African artifacts. So the lobby is on the 3rd floor, which is where our room is located too. Just super convenient. There's Bell Services. There's the huge gift shop. We cannot wait to go in there. And this is just the hallway where our room is, which is awesome. It's really quiet too. It doesn't feel like you're in the main lobby. So that's where we just were. That's where Mara is. Right below it. Well, that's Boma. Right there. The Hollywood Studios. And we have a little Grogu in my pouch. So they sell Christmas music playing. The Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Oh, you
Oh my gosh, Ben, look at the garland.
So they must have just done hotels first.
The Baby Care Center at Hollywood Studios is actually located inside their guest relations. So actually, if there's a line to guest relations, you can pass that and just walk to the left of that main building.
This Baby Care Center better because there was really no one in here when we were changing him, but it's only a children's toilet. And it's not as nice as the Magic Kingdom one. And they don't have as much stuff. They don't have Dawn. They don't have a refrigerator. And it's just 2 nursing centers. How can I help you? Grogu going through Galaxy's Edge. And the Ronto roosters, the little Grogu, and we got Ronto wraps, Dasani water in Star Wars theme, and this
Star Wars
Sprite.
Dasani.
Star Wars Dasani. Toy Story Land. This is my first time coming in through Star Wars, which is right there.
Ben has the Disney Chase Visa credit card, and one of the main perks is to get private VIP character meet and greet. Hollywood Studios and Epcot are the 2 participating parks for this perk. The regular character meet and greets at Star Wars Launch Bay were about a 20-minute line, but with this particular perk, we had no one in front of us.
Credit card private meet and greet. Oh my god! This is so crazy.
You will join me.
Oh my god.
The Force is strong with you. With training, you could become a powerful ally to the Empire.
Scan's complete, sir.
You may freely leave. I found our discussion informative.
Bars are required. We actually both got Mickey sandwiches, but we see Chip and Ben, come here. Chip and Dale in the courtyard. Outside Hollywood Brown Derby. It's so cute. For an ornament. Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy. I'm excited, buddy. Are you excited? This looks like where people are looking for strollers, though. Oh my gosh, we have to get pictures of this. Dinoco. Oh, this is so cool, buddy.
Yeah. Smile with us.
What are you making?
It's making an elephant.
You're making an elephant. Oh wow! Oh yeah, I see
See
it.
the trunk?
That's so cool.
Is that how you make all these?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Oh my gosh.
That's
Also
awesome.
a hat. In Africa, one person would wear this. Oh, hello. Somebody just woke up. Hi, Jackson.
16 foot, 240 pounds.
How much does it weigh?
240 pounds. The success of his ceremonial dance brings prestige and good luck to the entire community. Look at the giraffe.
Oh my gosh.
I gotta come home.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of zebras out there. There's two giraffes.
So 2 giraffes, there's some antelope,
Oh my god, they're active.
and then a zebra.
Ben took the shuttle that runs from Jumbo House to Kidani Village to pick up Sanaa for dinner. We ate it on the balcony once we put the baby to sleep.
Drop the zebra cakes.
Yep. We got zebra domes from Jumbo House, right? From Mara.
Yeah, these are from Mara.
You got a Nala cake.
Nala brownie.
Oh my god.
Had to get that.
Is it peanut butter or what's on it?
I don't know, I just saw Nala brownie. Because it was either that or the carrot cake. And then I saw that was called Nala, and I was like, okay, we're getting that.
Yeah, she got the bread service.
Oh
that
my
looks
god.
amazing. That one might be all the dipping sauces for it.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's a lot of bread.
It's so fluffy.
It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die!
I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh. There's a lot of sauces.
Oh my gosh. There's looks like a pineapple.
So apparently there's one of them's like really like super spicy.
Do we know which one it is?
Nope. We're gonna have to find out.
This is like a Russian. Oh my gosh, I like tzatziki.
And then like a couscous and a salad. What's
Oh,
this?
that's a Samoa's.
Samoa's.
The dessert on it.
Yeah.
So I poured the butter chicken in the thing. There's this nani rice and then some peas. What are those vegetables again? Peas and what?
Peas, corn, and are they like lima beans or
Lima
something?
beans.
Yeah.
It's good. The lamb is amazing. Alright, we're doing the bread service now. We just been taste tested.
Oh, I could have told you by the look that was spicy.
That one's lava.
Oh my gosh.
So there's like a peanut one, tzatziki. Was that minty? Is that what we said?
It's like a minty one, yeah. Peanut, the devil, mango, or like mango, what's this?